Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing this Bluetooth adapter kit that I bought from Amazon in my Lexus GS300. I've got the standard system, not the Mark Levinson one, so this I need to remove all of this so we can plug this at the back of the stereo itself, and you'll be adding Bluetooth functionality to the factory OEM stereo. Basically, I bought this for £40 from Amazon. This was £10. You need this adapter, otherwise you'll be losing some sort of functionality because there's already a port connected there, so you need this Y splitter cable. Okay, so first step, you need to remove this. Right, that's easy. Now open your armrest, then you need to put your fingers there and you have to pry it open. Before you do that, you need to press this shift lock and move your shift out of the way, because you won't be able to lift that up if it's still in park. So you need to put your finger there, pull it like that. Try to be gentle, you don't want to break anything, so just take your time. Right, and now you can just try and easy. If you can move this in different position, if you put it back in park, you'll get locked again, so make sure you don't put it back in park. So you can just, that's it. Now you've got two plugs here. Just bear with me a second. Right, let's try to remove this side first, so I don't need to worry about it. So the same thing, if you just, this clips there, so if you just pull it towards you slightly, then after you do that, you need to do it again this side, and then you have to pull it this way. So you have to pull it like that, and it comes off from there, as you can see. So it's all connected together. Right, so that can get out of the way. Okay, now we got more room here to play around with. So there you've got two plugs for your cigarette lighter or whatever it's called, the 12 volt socket. So you need to remove those two, so you can fully remove this. Okay, so I'll be doing that in just a second. Okay, as you can see, I've removed these two plugs from there. You can put them back in here. When you put it back together, don't forget to put it back there or this won't work. So that one comes off just like that. So you can chuck it away. Now to remove this side, you've got one screw here. It's supposed to be one screw there as well, but mine's missing for whatever reason. So you need to put your screwdriver there. You know what you're doing. I don't need to tell you what to do with a screwdriver. So be careful not to lose any screws and bolts. So put them away. Okay, on this side, you've got the same. You just have to pull it, do that, and then you have to pull it this way, and it comes off, as you can see. Right, so to remove this screen, you've got 4 bolts. You got 2 on this side, 2 on this side. So you got one up there, one down here, one up there, one down here. I'll go around and show you exactly where they are. Okay, so you got one there, and you've got one there through that hole. You need a socket extension for that one. That one you can get out. You can get it out, no problems. There's a 10 mil bolt that. Okay, that's how it looks like from there. That's your 10 mil bolt. You got one down there as well. Right there. Like I said, 2 on each side and you're done. Okay, so now make sure you removed all your 4 bolts from there, and now you can take this off. This is the part where some people like to put a plastic pry tool here and try to remove it. Do not ever put a plastic pry tool between your soft dash and this, because you're going to be destroying this part here. I've seen it happening on so many times on videos. So a better way to do this now, without touching this area is just put your hand there, put your finger there, and try and grab it from there and pull it. Right, there's another piece there, I forgot. Another piece there, it just comes off just like that. I totally forgot about that. Right, so put your hand there and try just to pull it out as hard as you can. Just it'll come out eventually, trust me. So you need to pull it quite hard to get out of there. So it's, I don't know if I can do it one hand, but I'll try. Yeah, you need to properly pull it out. So I'll do it in a sec. Right guys, so after you pull it quite hard, this is how it comes off. Just be careful when you're pulling it, because sometimes it just comes off right at you. So make sure you're not scratching any of your dash when you're pulling it out. So it just comes out like that. Right, so what I'll do is I'll unplug everything from there, and I'll show you which port you need to, which socket you need to plug that adapter at the back of this. Okay, so I've removed that. Don't worry about plugs, everything goes in only one way, so you can't plug different plugs in different sockets. Don't worry about it, it's super easy, that one. So this is how the back of your stereo looks like. So the plug you're looking for is this one here, the socket. This is your wire adapter cable, so you need to plug that in there just like that. Now you take your Bluetooth adapter kit and you just put it there, and obviously that plug there, it goes in one of these, and your Bluetooth adapter kit goes into the other. That's how simple it is. Yeah, plug everything back together, and then you can cut. So this is how the Bluetooth adapter looks like. Just a wire with a, I don't know what to call it, but that's how it looks basically. Right, now you need to plug everything back together, and happy days. So I forgot to mention before, right after you plug everything back together, before screwing everything back together, make sure everything works. So connect everything back, but just leave it as it is and just give it a try. See if everything works as it should. So everything seems to be working. So yeah, we're good to go. So the way this goes back in together is you just have to pop it in there first. You can see you need to line out all these with them so it can go in. Okay, so just like that, and now it goes in here. Nice and easy. Then you take that, plug these back on, put that back here. Don't forget about your little plastic bit that goes in here, just like that, and that's it, job done. By the way, you can also connect this just now after installing all of that. You can put this back in there. It goes in something like that. It's quite easy, it's not very hard. That's it, it's nice and in there. So if you want to connect to it, this is the one here, Blue Music. Turn on your Bluetooth. To get it to work, you have to press the disc button twice. First time you press this button, it goes on to CD, and then if you press it again, it just goes into, you just press pair, and that's it, connected. You can play music now. I can't play music because of YouTube, but it works, trust me, it works. So the way, I'll just show you. So if you press, let's say you're on FM, right? Now you press disc, then you press disc again, it changes to your disc, and then if you press again, it goes to your Bluetooth adapter. And now the most important step, make sure this is working perfectly. The last step you need to do is get your FM transmitter and just throw it in the bin. Goodbye.